Today we're going to discuss about the for loop. Is for loop tough for you? Today we're going to find a solution for it. Yeah, let's begin. So let's begin with the for loops format. For I in, let's take a list 1, 2, 3. You can print it as I. The for loop is very simple, which means that here the I can take each values in the list. I can be 1, I can be 2, I can be 3. Let's look its output. Print each and every element as separately. Then let's take a tuple, an easy tuple, 1, 2, 3. For each of them we need to put a colon. Colon is very important. If the colon is not there, it will come as a syntax error. Okay, let's run it. Before run, can you guess what his answer will be? The same. This means that the 1 and 2 and 3 will be printed separately. Let's look at the output. Here you go, the same thing happened. So let's take another thing, a string. Hello world. Here also, the same thing happens. The I can take the values like H, E, L, etc. Let's look at its output. All of them are printed separately. Same thing. Isn't it easy? Then let's take the range, the most important thing. Say I take in range 1, 7. Okay. Here the numbers will be printed from 1 to 6. Which means that if we take 1, 8, it will print from 1 to 7. In place of 7, it is 9. It prints up to 8. So let's look at its output. Yeah, it has printed up to 6. That's it. Which means that if you take up to 10, if we put here we take, if we take the number as 10, it will print up to 9. That's it. Here you go. Next we're going to take the number which is known as the stepping number. Let's say like 2. If you take as 2, the difference between the numbers will be 2. Let's look the output. The difference between numbers is 2. The 3 minus 1 is 2, the 5 minus 3 is 2, the 7 minus 5 is 2, the 9 minus 7 is 2, that's it. That's all about the for loop. Any questions? Comment. That's it.